Understanding the neon effect in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that lights up our language, the neon effect. Don't you just love how certain words can spark such vivid images and ideas? If you're ready to learn what gives this phrase its glow and how to use it in your everyday English, then keep watching. The phrase, neon effect, can be taken quite literally at first glance. It refers to the bright, glowing effect that neon lights produce. But when we use it metaphorically in English, it describes a situation or object that is strikingly noticeable or attractively attention-grabbing because it stands out like a neon sign. Let's shed some light on the word neon. Neon is a chemical element that's used in neon signs to produce brilliant colors and light. It was discovered in 1898 and quickly became synonymous with bright and colorful signage. When we talk about the neon effect, we're borrowing this concept of brightness and applying it to other things. Now, let's put it into context. Imagine you're walking down a street at night, and among the dimly lit shops, one store has a bright neon sign that catches your eye. That store has a neon effect. When you use this phrase, you're highlighting something that stands out due to its visibility, uniqueness, or memorability. Example 1. Her neon pink dress had a neon effect at the otherwise monochrome party. Example 2. The new advertisement's neon effect made it the talk of the town. Incorporating phrases like neon effect into your language repertoire allows you to describe situations with more flair and clarity. It's a vivid way to express the impact of visual appeal and can be a powerful tool in marketing, fashion, and design discussions. I hope this light-up tutorial on the neon effect brightens up your English vocabulary. Whether you use it to describe a person, a product, or a moment, it's a fun and colorful way to communicate standout qualities. Keep practicing, and use this phrase to add some shine to your English conversations. Until next time, keep glowing with your language learning journey.